Hello and welcome to SEL Teaching Tips for Educators, Managing Your Virtual Classroom. Today we're going to talk about 6 quick tips that can help you manage your virtual classroom. Number 1, make it a social time. At the beginning of class, give students an opportunity to give some shout outs through the chat. Checking in on students can be as easy as using a scale to see how they're doing. It's also a great time to send a quick reminder of any expectations or reminders for class via chat, since students may have different expectations in other classes. Number 2, is screen time required? If so, help kids make digital backgrounds or encourage them to hang up a poster. Remind them to hide the self view on Zoom if they're feeling anxious and don't want to see themselves. Number 3, get creative with assessment. Consider calling on a student and asking them to respond through audio, or ask them to send their answers privately through chat. Using digital tools like ClassKick can also help and lets the class know you can see what they're working on. Number 4, be flexible and give yourself grace. Just like you may need to be flexible if students don't have their work done, you should cut yourself some slack if your lesson doesn't work out. You'll see your students again soon. Consider having a backup plan and multiple tools available when, not if, you have a tech issue. Number 5, consider individual breakout rooms, not only for classwork, but also for one-to-one relationship building. Students can call the teacher to their room for help and are more likely to turn on their cameras if they're not in front of the entire group. Remember, these student relationships are your secret weapon when it comes to managing your virtual classroom and to teaching your students. And number 6, embrace the excitement and be animated. Maybe even think about it as a performance. Be culturally responsive. Be responsive to all your students' excitement. Give them that confidence. It might be more challenging virtually, and it is tiring, but you can still let students know you want them in your classroom, you want to see them, and you want them to be there. School is often their social relief, and kids need some social time with you and know that you want to be there too. For more information or for help with your digital classroom, please visit lausannelearning.com/SEL or contact Lausanne's Director of Social Emotional Learning, Greg Graber, or Director of Lausanne Learning, Amber Colvin. Thanks and have a great day.